Welcome to Jurassic World Toy Hunt here. We are at HEB store here in Texas here. We have the new Jurassic World Survival here. Gigantic Thrasher. We got the LIOPLORODON here. This is in the MOSOSAURUS family here. There's no sound effect. Look how detailed it is on this. Look at that big flap for them here. There's a button for it. See it in the back. This is $26.98 here. HEB Plus here, grocery store here in Texas. There's a button here in the back, and there's a button here on the side here, the right side of it, for the mouth to open. Like I said, it's a new gigantic Thrasher LIOPLORODON here, similar to the one from last year, gigantic Thrasher ATROCIRAPTOR here, the Triceratops type, and the other one, the Gorgosaurus here. This is the one with the spitting tail and also the mouth movement here on this one here. There's a mouth here. Here it is, the button. Sorry, there's a button right here for the mouth here. They're all $26.98. The main event here is this LIOPLORODON here. Look at the spike feature here on the back of it, and his flap fins, nice and detailed, shiny, glossy finish here. The tail here can move, and they got, like I said, two button, one for the mouth, and detail on the tongue, and one for the flapper when you move in the water here. So it's $26.98. There's also a new one here. It's called Dino Reveal here. This is $21.58 here. Dino Reveal here. This is a Concavenator here. That's what it look like here. So it's gonna come here and you can peel it. So you peel the skin and you reveal the dinosaur here. It's $21.58 here at HEB Plus. Peel to view the dinosaur. So it's going to look like when you open the box, Concavenator, and then when you peel it off, it's going to look like here. Each box will reveal what it is. So this one here, there's two of them. Yeah, another one here. The box is pretty cool. Look at that box. And this is a ORKORAPTOR here. So it tell you what it is. A Concavenator, that one is an ORKORAPTOR. So on these, like I said, here's an ORKORAPTOR. Depending which one you like, here's a Concavenator. So it's pretty cool. There's no sound effect. I don't believe. $21.58 each here. I think it's just the dinosaurs, kind of similar to the gigantic Thrasher. There's no sound effect. It's just movement here. So you got the ORKORAPTOR here, and you got the Concavenator here. Is Dino Reveal. Peel the dinosaur to reveal the true skin of the dinosaur. I like the ORKORAPTOR. It's pretty cool. And the Concavenator is second in my opinion. So far they only got two. If they got more, I will show you. They got two here. And don't forget, they also have the Jurassic World Survival Wild War Metrocontosaurus here. It's $20.48 here at HEB Plus. You're better off buying this at Walmart. Walmart is like $18. So you save $2.50. This is a must buy. There's three more. There's four total to it. The other three are the, I can't find this one yet, the LIOPLORODON. This looked like my favorite, but I can't find that one yet. I saw the Triceratops one and the Stomosuctus one. The Stomosuctus one is my favorite so far. It's like a crocodile alligator, and I love the launch on the mouth of this one. These are the best set so far for the Wild World that came out this month in May. Walmart is the only one I saw it. Now HEB Plus my second place. I haven't seen these at Target yet. This store also have these 12-inch Jurassic World Rebirth. Here's a QUETZALCOATLUS here. And these are $12.95 each here. That's pretty cool that they're 12-inch figurines. And here's all the ones you can get in this set. Here's the QUETZALCOATLUS. You get the Spinosaurus, SUCHOMIMIMUS, Pachycephalosaurus, sorry for pronunciation, Tyrannosaurus Rex, a MOSOSAURUS, and MOSOSAURUS here. Here's the PYRORAPTOR one. So it look like there. Here's the SUCHOMIMIMUS one. That looked pretty cool. That looked almost like a BARYONYX. Here's the HERERASAURUS. And here's a MOSOSAURUS here. So all $12.95 each here. This is like I said, HEB Plus. It's one of my favorite, the QUETZALCOATLUS here. Now it's got Dino Reveal one here too. These are the one Dilophosaurus one, they're $9.97. We got the Velociraptor Mass, 1848. These should make sounds. And these don't have sound so far. The Strike Attack here is no, these are wrong. They're $12.98. The Strike Attack is $12.98. The Frenzy Pack are the cheap one. The Frenzy Pack are $9.48. So this is wrong. So the Strike Attack here is $12.98, and the Frenzy Pack here, is $9.48 here. Here we got the HERERASAURUS Strike Attack. We got the old version Eusaurus, and we got one more here. We got Nanotyrannus here, $12.98 here. They also have these fun to collect Imaginext Jurassic World blind baby dino here. Like some of these stuff. So these are mystery gifts on each. That's what you're gonna get. Some are 2 to the set, like the Dilophosaurus and Raptor. Spinosaurus is one. Dominus Rex here. Therizinosaurus here. You got Pterodactyl. Look like another baby Spinosaurus. And of course Mosasaurus here. And these are $5.48 each. That's what it looked like. Yeah, you can find it. They're all mystery, kind of like mystery eggs. They're the mystery bags here. So let me see, the Spinosaurus claws, $21.78. Oh yeah, I forgot about these biters. I didn't see these mighty biters for a while. Target used to sell these, but this place sells a $5.48 each. This is PYRORAPTOR here, and we also got Carnotaurus, and we have Velociraptor. These are one with the eyes. Let me see if I can show you. The eyes will roll on here when they go down. There you go. See it? Pretty cool. The eyes will dilate to a mean eye or a mouth. There's no sound effect. That's a pretty cool. It's $5.48 each here. Let me see this. There you go. This is PYRORAPTOR. Look at that. That's pretty cool eyes. Look at those. I wish they do these on the the bigger figures like these right here. On these, turn the eyes on those. That would have been a good feature here on these here. So let me see about this one. There we go. This is blue. This is a blue dino. And this is the Carnotaurus. They also have the Carnotaurus here. Charged and Chomp Carnotaurus here. It's $37.78 here. I would get this at Walmart. It's cheaper. I think it's like $29 or $30 at Walmart. Charge and Chomp Carnotaurus. So recap here. We have the new Jurassic World Survival Gigantic Thrasher LIOPLORODON here. It's $26.98 here. This is MOSOSAURUS family with the flapper here. And we have new the Jurassic World Dino review here. Their $21.58 is Peel the Dinosaur to review. There's a Concavenator here. Peel to review. And we also have ORKORAPTOR here. Dino review, $21.58. Peel to review. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.